I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Now here search and select Telegram. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want to get the bot API key. Please visit your Telegram bot father. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Select Chat List. Map the respective fields. You can attach file also. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Telegram. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Telegram. Here is the data that came into Telegram through the integration. Thanks for watching.